Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are comfortable. Close your eyes. Rest your hands in any way that is comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this breathing again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Continue this breathing a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. Our brains are amazing machines. They can hear the sound of snowy mountains as one sound, or, if we focus, we can divide the sounds in our minds to hear just one sound at a time. Listen carefully now and try to hear all of the different sounds of the snowy mountains. Now, let's try to pick out the separate sounds, one at a time. Listen for the sound of the cold wind. Can you hear the rumbling of an avalanche? Can you hear the echo of rocks tumbling down the mountainside? Can you hear the call of a hawk flying above you? Can you hear the breath of a bear hibernating close by? Take a couple of moments now to use your imagination to explore this place. Imagine what you would see here. What is there to explore? As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you're ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find all that's good in your day.